If your birds have an itchy skin, then try this home remedy to overcome the issue. Neem leaves boiled water is a good bird repellent, and this is very effective. It will help to cure the itchiness.
Boil the neem leaves in water. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and then boiled it for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool at normal temperature. After that, give your bird a bath in the water. The best bath is just give a spray of neem water. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.